Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best, easiest, and most affordable way to start your LLC in Ohio today. Now, this is exactly how I've created all of my business entities, and it is crazy because you guys can literally set up your Ohio LLC in about 5 minutes. It is really that simple. So the first part of this video, I'm just going to go over what LLCs are and why they may be beneficial to you as an entrepreneur or small business owner. And then the second part of the video is going to be me taking you step by step through a simple 4-step process of getting your LLC in Ohio set up and ready to go. So if you do want to skip to any part of this video, I will put the timestamps down below to make it nice and easy for you. And now, without further ado, let's get started and let me show you how you can get an LLC in Ohio set up in about 5 minutes. So firstly, what is an LLC? Well, an LLC is a type of business structure that stands for limited liability company. It is perfect for startups and entrepreneurs, and I always tell people, if you want to take your business seriously, it is an excellent idea to start an LLC. That's because there's just so many benefits that come along with having an LLC. First of all, they limit your personal liability. So what this means is that if your company gets sued for whatever reason, they cannot come after your personal assets. So yeah, if your business does something wrong and you actually get sued by someone, then only the assets that are inside that LLC are at stake. This means that things like your house, your cars, and any other personal assets are completely safe. That's where the term limited liability comes from. Now, if you are creating a business and you are looking for outside funding, LLCs also allow you to raise the outside capital. And of course, LLCs can have some very specific tax advantages. So rather than starting a C corporation, which actually gets double taxed, with an LLC, this is called a pass-through entity, so you're only getting taxed one time. Now, I'm not going to go into too many of the details about the whole taxation of LLCs because there's quite a lot to know. You can be taxed as an LLC or as an S Corp. Now, when it comes to all of this taxation stuff, I would just highly recommend talking to your accountant and just figuring out what works best for you and your business. Alright then, now let's move on to the next section where I'll guide you to the simple 4-step 5-minute process of getting your Ohio LLC set up and ready to go. So setting up an LLC can be a time-consuming and just a frustrating process, especially if you're doing it by yourself. You could potentially make a bunch of mistakes and just waste a lot of your time. So instead, I would recommend using an LLC formation service to just do everything for you. And that is where Taylor Brands comes in, because their LLC formation service can make the process quick, easy, and completely hassle-free. So what is Taylor Brands and how can they help you with starting an LLC in Ohio? Well, Taylor Brands is an online platform that provides all sorts of branding and design services for businesses. They literally have everything you could possibly need to start your business from scratch. They have a logo maker, website builder, branded merch, and a bunch of other useful tools as well. But in addition to the design services, they also offer quick and easy LLC formation services for entrepreneurs looking to start a business. Now, some of you might be wondering, well, why use Taylor Brands LLC formation service instead of just doing it myself? Well, there are several reasons that I can think of. Reason number one, it is going to save you a lot of time and hassle. Because like I said, setting up an LLC can be a complicated and frustrating process, especially if you're doing it for the first time. But Taylor Brands LLC formation service takes care of all the paperwork and filing for you, saving you all of that time and hassle. Reason number two is their expert level guidance. Taylor Brands LLC formation provides expert guidance throughout the entire process. So if you have any questions or concerns at all, they are there to help you. They've done this hundreds of thousands of times, and you can chat with them and ask them questions 24/7. Reason number three, the peace of mind. So with Taylor Brands LLC formation service, you can have peace of mind knowing that your LLC is getting set up correctly and fully legally with no mistakes made at all. And reason number four is their affordable pricing. So Taylor Brands LLC formation service offers very affordable pricing, which is a great option for small business owners who may be working with a limited budget. The LLC formation starts at just $49, which is an absolute bargain. It is designed to make the process of setting up an LLC as simple and straightforward as possible by doing literally everything for you. The only thing required of you will be to go through a simple 4-step process on their website that will literally take you about 5 minutes. So let me quickly guide you through this simple 4-step process. So step 1 is to answer a few simple questions about your business. So Taylor Brands will ask you some very basic questions about your business, such as the name of your company, its purpose, and the state where you want to form your LLC. So obviously for this option, you would choose Ohio. Step 2, Taylor Brands will create your articles of organization. Based on the information you provided, Taylor Brands will create your articles of organization, which is the legal document required to form an LLC in Ohio. They will ensure that all of the necessary information is included and that the document is formatted correctly with no mistakes. Step 3, Taylor Brands will file your articles of organization with the state. So once your articles of organization are complete, Taylor Brands will file them with the Ohio Department of State Division of Corporations, which is the governing agency responsible for registering and regulating LLCs in Ohio. They will also obtain your federal tax ID number or EIN from the IRS and provide you with a copy of your completed articles of organization. And step 4, well, you are basically done and you're ready to start your business. So after your LLC is formed, you will receive a certificate of organization from the Ohio Department of State Division of Corporations. This document proves that your business is fully legally registered and actually ready to start operating. So in conclusion, guys, setting up an LLC in Ohio does not have to be a difficult and time-consuming process. With Taylor Brands LLC Formation Service, you can get your LLC set up quickly and easily, leaving you more time to focus on the important part of actually growing your business. Their expert guidance and affordable pricing make him an excellent choice for small business owners looking to start their entrepreneurial journey. So if you would like your Ohio LLC set up for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, try Taylor Brands by using the discount link I provided for you down below in the pinned comment and description of this video. But as for this video, guys, that is just about it. Now, if you do have any questions about forming an LLC in Ohio or Taylor Brands, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you ASAP. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.